Today in this video, I'm going to explain Unlock iCloud Activation Lock iOS 16.4 update. iPhone unlock to owner iOS 16.4 unlock iCloud. Set up your device, choose language English, then choose your country or region. Now connect your phone to Wi-Fi. Please wait for few minutes. Now you see iPhone lock to owner Apple login ID screen. Give random Apple ID and password. Tap on next. Here it shows a pop-up, incorrect Apple ID or password. Tap on OK. Back to Wi-Fi connection. Now long press the lock button. Choose Wi-Fi settings. Now tap on I from your connected Wi-Fi. Scroll down and tap on Configure DNS. By default, it shows automatic change to manual. Then add the following servers. Click on Save. Back to Wi-Fi screen and tap Next. Wait for few minutes. Give random Apple ID and password. Press on next. Now go back and wait for few minutes. Tap on continue. Now you can set up your device as new without showing Apple ID.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.